What truly fueled Bitcoin before the ban? Prior to 2021, China accounted for over 60% of global Bitcoin production. But there's more to this story. A significant portion of that mining energy was sourced from hydroelectric plants in Tibet, affordable energy from occupied territory, driving global crypto. In 2021, China imposed a mining ban. Operations ceased, and hash rates fell dramatically, yet Bitcoin demonstrated resilience without China. Hash power dispersed across the globe, to the US, Kazakhstan, and more. Decentralization. The tough way forward. Tibet. Bitcoin. Energy. Control. Tibet was the backbone of the Bitcoin revolution, and most people remain unaware. Join us to dive into the complete crypto narrative, beyond just the headlines.